Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play PUBG Mobile smoothly on 2 GB of RAM. Many players face challenges with performance on lower-end devices, but with the right adjustments, you can significantly enhance your gaming experience. We'll go over crucial in-game settings, essential device optimization techniques, and some additional tips to help you achieve smoother gameplay. Get ready to transform your PUBG Mobile experience, making it more enjoyable and less frustrating, even on a device with limited memory. Optimizing your in-game settings is the first crucial step. Start by navigating to the graphics settings within PUBG Mobile. Set your graphics to smooth and your frame rate to medium or high for the best balance between visuals and performance. It's also highly recommended to disable anti-aliasing and shadows, as these features consume a lot of processing power and RAM. Additionally, only download the essential resource packs to keep your game lean and efficient, saving valuable memory. Beyond in-game settings, optimizing your device itself is vital. Before launching PUBG Mobile, make sure to close all other background applications. These apps consume valuable RAM that your game needs. Regularly clearing your device's cache can also free up significant memory and storage, improving overall responsiveness. Furthermore, ensure you have ample free storage space on your device, ideally several gigabytes, as this can prevent performance bottlenecks and allow the game to run more efficiently. For even smoother gameplay, consider a few more advanced tips. If your device has a built-in game booster or optimizer, utilize it to prioritize game performance. Playing on a stable and fast Wi-Fi connection is also crucial, as network lag can often be mistaken for performance issues. Finally, always keep your operating system and PUBG Mobile application updated. Developers frequently release updates that include performance enhancements and bug fixes, which can greatly benefit your gaming experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.